Hello, today's experiment is called changing the oil clock. From your kit, you're going to need 2 small test tubes and the test tube connector. From home, you'll need water, oil, and salt. In test tube number 1, you're going to fill it about 1/4 of the way with salt. Then, fill it about halfway with water. Cover your test tube and then shake it well to mix everything together. After you've done that, you can add more water, so this way your test tube is filled all the way. In test tube number 2, you're going to fill that with your oil. Put the test tube connector on top of test tube number 2, and then carefully hold your test tubes and cover the tops with your thumbs. For this next part, you might want to do this over a bowl or a sink or the bathtub. Very quickly, put both of the test tubes together. Now, every couple of seconds, turn the test tubes over until you've made a test tube oil clock.